Hello there, fourth graders. Welcome to your next math lesson. Today's math lesson is called Multiply by a Multi-Digit Number. So please open up your math notebook to the next available page and write that title at the top. Multiply by a multi-digit number. Really, we're just taking what we've already learned in this chapter today. Today we're taking what we've already learned in this chapter and we're just applying it to larger numbers. So, and also the way we're multiplying today, one of the factors will still be a one-digit number. So here's an example. Well, first let's look at an example of the kind of problems we've already learned how to do. We've already learned how to do problems like this, 32 times 7, where it's a two-digit number by a one-digit number. And in that situation, we just multiply the number on bottom by both numbers on top, and we regroup when necessary. So 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, plus the one we carried, 22, so 224. And remember that when you're multiplying, both numbers you're multiplying are called factors, and the answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. Now what we're doing today is just like this, we're just increasing the amount of digits in the top number. So let's say we had 467 times 5. You do it the exact same way. You just multiply the number on bottom by the number on top in the ones place, then by the number on top in the tens place, then by the number on top in the hundreds place, and so on. And you regroup when necessary. So 5 times 7 is 35. Then we do 5 times 6, that's 30, plus the 3 we carried is 33. Then we do 5 times 4, that's 20, plus the 3 we carried, that's 23. So the answer would be 2,335. So we're going to be getting bigger answers today because we're multiplying by larger numbers. And remember, 467 times 5 means 467 5 times. So if you had 467 cookies in each group, and if you had 5 of those groups, so 5 groups of cookies, and in each group of cookies there's 467 cookies, you would have 2,335 cookies overall. Let's look at another example. Let's do an even bigger number on top this time. Let's do 2,376 times 8. So again, we just multiply the bottom number by all the numbers on top, one at a time, starting on the right and moving over to the left and regrouping when necessary. So we do 8 times 6, then we do 8 times 7, then we do 8 times 3, and we do 8 times 2, and we regroup when necessary. So 8 times 6 is 48. Then we do 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. We have to add the 4, and 56 plus 4 is 60. Then we do 8 times 3. That's 24, plus 6, that's 30. Then we do 8 times 2. That's 16, plus 3 is 19. So 2,376 times 8 is 19,008. Let's do another example. Let's do 1,731 times 9. Okay, we do 9 times 1, that's 9. We don't have to regroup that time. Then we do 9 times 3, that's 27, so we have to regroup, 27. Then we do 9 times 7, that's 63, plus the 2 is 65. Then we do 9 times 1, that's 9, plus 6 is 15. So the answer is 15,579. Hopefully you understand today's lesson. It's the exact same as the lessons we're doing, just with more numbers on top. I'm going to give you two to do independently. Do 2,648 times 3 and do 792 times 4. Go ahead and do your very best on both of those multiplication problems, and then click on the video attached under this one to see if you did them correctly. And I will see you over there. Mr. Dauber, for now, signing off.